everyone and welcome back to the Exam Ignite. This is a module 4 part 2 video where I'll be discussing the programming the serial communication interrupt. So here we are using RI and RT flags to see which one is caused the interrupt and respond to that flag immediately. Steps is one is configure the serial port using the SCON register and set the baud rate using the timer 1 overflow rate. Then enable the serial interrupt by setting the serial interrupt enable bit in the I register with the ISR that will be executed when an interrupt occurs. So you have to write a program in which the 8051 reads the data and writes in P1 and writes it to P2 while giving a copy of it to the serial communication port to be transmitted serially. Assume that XTAL is 11.0592 MHz. So this is the program. Do refer to the comments given in the each line so that you'll understand the program easily. So interrupt priority and an important concept. This is when 8051 is powered up with an or reset, interrupt priority are set in the microcontroller based on the table. That is highest priority is given to that is int 0, that is external interrupt 0, then to the TF0, it is timer interrupt 0, then int 1, external interrupt 1, TF1, this timer interrupt 1, serial communication that is RI and the TI. So this based on this we give the interrupt priority. So it is given by the 8-bit. The IP.7 and IP.6 are reserved. IP.5 it is a PT2 that is timer to interrupt priority bit in the 8052. IP4 it's a serial port interrupt priority bit. IP3 is a timer 1 interrupt priority bit. IP2 is external priority 1 interrupt 1 priority bit. Timer 2 is an interrupt priority bit. TP2 this is the external interrupt 0 priority bit. So what happens if the interrupt int 0 and TF1 are activated at the same time? Then it will check that among all the 5 interrupts, according to the reset priority, if any is activated, it serves in the sequence. So basically, int 0 is executed first, and then the TF1, and then the IE1, that is int 1. So another one program to assign the highest priority to int 1, and then what happens if int 0 and int 1 and TF1 are activated at the same time? Same thing, based on the priority, it gives the order to highest priority to lowest priority. Next is programming external interrupts, that is level triggered and the edge triggered. So here you can observe in the level trigger, we are having a IE0 that is TCON 1 and then 0, and then we are giving a trigger that is int from the int 0 P3.2 with a NOT gate, and here int 1 with P3.3 and IE1 here TCON is 3. So level triggered here is int 0 and int 1 are normally high, and if a low level signal is applied to them, it triggers the interrupt and jumps to the IVT to service the interrupt. So this is a program. Do refer to the comments and understand the level trigger. Next, edge trigger. Upon the reset, 8051 makes int 0 and int 1 low level trigger. To make them edge triggered interrupts, we must program the bits of the TCON list. So IT0 and IT1 flag bits determine the level or the edge triggered made up of the network, that is interrupts. So upon the reset, TCON.0 and TCON.2 are both zeros, means they are low level triggered. So to make them edge triggered, we can use the set TCON.0 and set B TCON.1. So this completes a module 4 part 2 video. So hence all the 4 modules are uploaded in the channel. Please do watch all the videos and understand, and so that you score good marks in your exam. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to the Exam Ignite for the further modules and for the further video updates. Thank you.